Hi, I ordered DIY kits from Temu, crochet and cross stitch and embroidery. First I'll show you what contains this kit. It was small keychain pictures. Let's open it. It's very cute. Let's open here. Green yarn, a hook, 2 and 1, yellow. Oh, this is acrylic yarn, very thick. Brown, blue, white, red, it is smaller, black, this is soft, stuffing, the rings, and this is the instruction, tips and tricks, abbreviations, holding the yarn, holding the hook, making a slip knot, chain stitch, rounds or spiral, single crochet, magic ring, etc. and so on. Oh, video explanation, weaving methods, chain stitch, here are the codes, QR codes. This is just a basic instruction, but here is the pattern, maybe. So here are jellyfish, panda, with QR codes, with video, and this is also video. Each style has specific illustrations and videos. So, chicken, bee. I want to make a chicken, and frogs. Oh my gosh. Little penguin. Want to make a penguin. Dog. Yeah, dog. Teddy dog. Two types of dog. body and legs, ears, curly hair, how to make teddy dog. That's a different dog. This is longer. Oh, this is the longest pattern, the teddy dog, but no picture, just on the Temu app I saw the pictures. So yeah, it has a video and written pattern. Nice. I hope this will be enough yarn. I will use different hook. This is too small and too, I don't know, don't like it. So let's see the other kit. Until I put away. Or if I don't have enough yarn, I can make from cotton yarn these patterns, use more times. Here is the cat kit. It was a white and black cat picture. Oh. This looks bigger. Design. Let's see. Here is the picture. So cute. Here is the step-by-step PDF and tutorial video with QR code. If you are a beginner, please scan the QR code to view the tutorial video to learn the basic crochet stitches, which is the best way to make you start as quickly as possible. So maybe this is just how to make stitches. This is the PDF pattern. Handicraft basic crochet guide tutorial. How to make magic ring. I really don't like magic ring, so for me it's very difficult till now. Stitches and techniques. Yeah, this is basic. Let's see what's here. Black yarn. This is also acrylic, I think, not cotton. White is smaller. We have crochet hook, needles, wow, and two big blue eyes as the picture shows. I will have a big blue eye cat. Oh, and here is the pink yarn for the nose, maybe. And stuffing, polyester, It's quite big. Oh, so I don't have a written pattern now. Just have to download it from this PDF. I'm sad because I like written pattern, because I cannot print it at home. Never mind, I will use my tablet to watch the pattern. I hope it is easy. And first I want to make the small patterns, the keychains. I will put away. And I'll show you the rabbit crochet kit. Five millimeter hook for this thick yarn. Actually, I don't like to working with this slippery. I may be making this later because I don't like chenille yarn. We have small eyes now. This is the crochet guide, and this is the bunny. I hope you can see, with long ears. Scan the QR code above using your phone camera. Watch the video to learn each step. Follow along carefully, pausing as needed. Enjoy crochet process. Please do scan the QR code and learn before crocheting. Okay, thank you. This is the stuffing. It's very small. Black, pink. Wow, so nice color. White and gray. Oh, so many gray. This will be a big bunny. I know, we don't need to stuff the body, only the head. That's why small. So I don't have a written pattern, only online. But at least I have yarns. How to put it back? This is so small, this bag. Never mind. This hook, not so bad to touch. So I will do later crocheting. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Now I show you my cross stitch kit from Temu. I already opened it. This is a cute white dog puppy. As you can see the size here. Here is the base. Pomeranian dog. I always wanted this kind of dog, but I cannot have. I have already 2 cats. Now wash the pattern with water and it will disappear. So after I have to wash it. Here are the stitches, how to make the colors and numbers, which floss I have to use. "12" is the yellow, this will be white, and I didn't get this ring for this kit, so I have to use an other ring. Maybe I will use this ring for making this one. Oh, I'll show you the next kit. Embroidery, I cannot say, in the cassette. It contains how to make them, some writing, satin stitch, straight stitch, and this is the cloth. This is a cat and a crafting room, sewing machine. I don't know, this is washable or not. And I have this ring, 2 needles, and floss. Oh, so pretty. Here are the colors. Yeah. Where are the numbers? Oh. One, this is the one. 3 strands satin stitch, and I have to use which color? There is no number in this. Oh, maybe this is the first one. The 310. Okay. I never tried this before. Improve hands-on ability, increase the joy of life. Funny. Package includes one PC pre-printed embroidery cloth, enough embroidery threads, needles, and illustration of this. Maybe later I will try it, but maybe first the cross stitch, which is easier for me. Please comment if you tried these kits before and which one do you want to see I make. Thank you. See you. Bye.